Is clutter taking over your home or office, leaving you with limited space to move around? Say hello to the Madesmart 2-tier organizer, your new best friend in organizing and decluttering. This versatile and practical organizer is the answer to all your storage needs, offering a simple yet convenient solution to keep your living and workspaces clean and organized. A multi-purpose marvel. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office, the Madesmart 2-tier organizer is here to revolutionize your organization game. Use it in kitchen cabinets to store spices and snacks, in pantries to keep your cleaning supplies in order, or under bathroom sinks to declutter soaps, makeup, and brushes. Tidy up tricky to organize items in your bedroom. Like electronics, toys, crafts, and medicine, the possibilities are endless. This organizer also doubles as a desk organizer for your office supplies, optimizing otherwise unused vertical space. Customizable and convenient, designed with 2 removable storage baskets, this organizer offers easy access to your essentials. But it doesn't stop there. Each basket comes with 2 adjustable dividers, allowing you to further separate and categorize your items with ease. Custom organization has never been this straightforward. Quality and durability. We understand that you need an organizer that stands the test of time. The Madesmart 2-tier organizer is crafted with high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring years of reliable use. It is built to withstand daily wear and tear, making it a trustworthy companion in keeping your space clutter-free. Quick assembly and labeling. We know your time is precious. That's why we've optimized the assembly process for your convenience. No complicated instructions or hassles, just a quick and easy setup. Moreover, the organizer features ample space for dry erase labeling on the baskets and dividers, making it effortless to identify and find what you need. Get your Madesmart 2-tier organizer today. Don't let clutter take control of your life. Reclaim your space and maximize efficiency with the Madesmart 2-tier organizer. Whether it's your home or office, this game-changing storage solution will transform the way you organize and tidy up your space.